Hey, this is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. If you're in the market for learning how to repair dents and doing it at a very high level, I actually offer a 5-day advanced paintless dent repair or PDR training course where you can fly in or just come in for 5 days. We actually spend some time out in the field. This is some footage from actually being out in the field at a customer's location, repairing a really bad dent on a Toyota RAV4. We're doing this using the paintless dent repair method. This training is actually put together for existing paintless dent repair technicians that have been doing dent repair for anywhere between, I would say, 6 months to about a year or so, that feel confident and comfortable fixing a quarter-size dent to an extreme high level to where it's undetectable. I would say that's basically the only criteria for this type of course. There's a growing demand for large-scale paintless dent repair, and it's highly profitable, and it's a great way to kind of boost your confidence by attending a course like this. There's a lot of clarity that happens when you attend courses like this. A lot of the times in paintless dent repair, they just teach you the basics, and this course is designed to really push the limits of PDR and show you what is possible with the right mindset and skills under your belt. So there's absolutely nothing against going to an online training course to learn paintless dent repair. I highly recommend it for guys that are just looking to get into PDR in general. I think online training is excellent. However, there is nothing better than actually being there one-on-one, asking the real questions as you're doing a repair or watching a repair go down, like in this case as you're seeing here. The course is roughly about 60 hours, and we cover a lot of ground in that 60 hours, from things like mapping out a really large-scale repair and keeping it manageable throughout the repair process, things like body line damage, really deep stretched metal dents using the Power PDR box and devices very similar. We even dive really deep into glue pulling strategies using really large-scale tabs and different glue pulling techniques. I mean, overall, right now, I think is probably the best time to get into a trade such as PDR, where you are constantly being fulfilled. Your customers are always happy with the repairs. I mean, even though this repair here had a little bit of paint damage, this customer was blown away. All they wanted us to do was repair the dent and then apply a little touch-up paint, and they were super happy. So if you are interested in the advanced level paintless dent repair training course and you don't want to spend another 10 years trying to figure out what it took me 19 to do and push that fast forward button, then just head on over to the website there. There's actually a contact form you can fill out with any questions you might have, and I'll be glad to get back to you typically within 24 to 48 hours. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you, and have a good night.